coming to you live from Santa Clara and the Cloud Foundry Summit. I'm here with Colleen Bryant. Colleen, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. So you're at Google, and more specifically, what group and what do you do?
So I've been at Google for almost exactly a year
Wow.
and 1 day, and I am working on a team that does open source integrations with Google Cloud Platform.
So just to take a step back, what drew you to this team? Was it the team that drew you to Google, or was it just Google first and then they placed you here?
It was Google first, and then I got to pick from a few different teams, and just the kind of mission and the actual team members seemed like a really great fit and something that I was really excited about.
Cool. And so within the team, what do you focus on?
So we have a sub-team that focuses on Cloud Foundry integrations, and then I personally focus on the GCP service broker for Cloud Foundry, as well as some new integrations. I'm looking at doing some auth integrations with Google for Work and Cloud Foundry's UAA server, and then kind of assisting here and there on giving talks, setting up tiles, things like that.
And so for folks who may not know the TLAs, GCP is?
Google Cloud Platform, sorry about that.
And how does that work with the GCE, which is the?
GCE is Google Compute Engine.
Okay.
And so that's our VM offering. So everything that you run on in your Cloud Foundry installation on GCP will run on a GCE instance, all of your servers.
And so I talked to Eric Johnson, who leads the group at the Cloud Foundry Summit in Frankfurt, and at that point he was talking about you all working with the open source version of Cloud Foundry. Where is that? And the other thing he'd also talked about is then maybe also trying Pivotal Cloud Foundry. So where are you on those two?
So we've met our goals on both of those two. So we have completed the work on the Bosch CLI to get Cloud Foundry running on GCP. So that's either open source Cloud Foundry or Pivotal Cloud Foundry. We worked with Pivotal to get that launched last October. And then we were also working on the same thing with the service broker, making it available both open source and as a tile on PibNet, and so we've got those goals accomplished last year as well.
Oh, congrats. And so for people who may not be familiar with the tile, what's a tile?
So Pivotal Cloud Foundry is configured and run through a UI called Ops Manager, and then within Ops Manager, a tile is just kind of their word for installing a product. Their UI shows each product as a little box, so it looks like a tile, and so you download essentially a zip file from PibNet, which is their network of both their internal products and partner products, and then just add that to your OpsMan installation, and then it'll show up easy to configure in that UI.
Cool. So what, within the work you do, what is the thing that excites you most that you like working on?
I really like building things that people want, honestly.
That's always cool.
Yeah, it is really exciting to get a customer request for a new Google feature, and then doubly exciting to have somebody come up and say, yeah, we're using this and we love it, it's great. I think the machine learning APIs excite people a lot. We also recently added an integration with the stack driver debugger, so if you are writing a Cloud Foundry app in Java, and also soon to be added in Python and Go, if you bind that application to an instance of the stack driver debugger through the service broker, it's like 3 steps and you automatically get live production debugging of your application, so which a lot of people kind of have this like, oh my gosh.
Wow.
It's pretty crazy cool.
Cool. Colleen Bryant, thank you so much.